What happens when a quiet town holds dark secrets and the only witness to a murder can't prove it happened? Welcome to Angel's Fall by Nora Roberts, a tale of survival, mystery, and love that keeps you guessing until the end. Hello Book Foxes! Welcome back to the Book Fox Summaries, where books are simplified for your busy life one summary at a time. Today, we dive into Angel's Fall, a gripping thriller by best-selling author Nora Roberts. Published in 2006 and blends romance with a pulse-pounding mystery. Nora Roberts, known for her captivating storytelling, delivers an emotional tale set against the breathtaking backdrop of the Wyoming wilderness. This novel is perfect for fans of suspense and strong heroines. Reece Gilmore, a chef from Boston, is trying to rebuild her life after surviving a traumatic event. She winds up in Angel's Fist, a small Wyoming town surrounded by natural beauty and friendly faces. Reece finds work at a local diner hoping the quiet town will offer her peace, but everything changes when she witnesses a murder during a hike. The problem? No one believes her, there's no body, no evidence, and no one reported missing. With her credibility in question, Reece must confront her past trauma while unraveling the truth. Enter Brody, a mystery writer with a sharp wit and a knack for seeing through lies. Together, they form an uneasy partnership, uncovering secrets that could expose the killer, or cost them their lives. Reece Gilmore is a complex, resilient woman haunted by her past but determined to move forward. Her journey is one of courage, trust, and rediscovery. Brody, on the other hand, is a brooding but charismatic writer who values honesty above all else. His skepticism about Reece's story evolves into trust, creating a chemistry that adds depth to the story. The town itself plays a pivotal role with its quirky residents and hidden layers adding intrigue to the plot. Angel's Fall explores themes of healing, resilience, and trust. It's about overcoming personal demons and finding strength in the face of adversity. The story also delves into the psychology of trauma, showing how it shapes perceptions and relationships. One powerful quote from Reece captures her struggle perfectly: "You can't undo what's been done, but you can choose what you do next." This sentiment underscores the heart of the novel, survival and hope. Another memorable line is, "Trust is built one step at a time, but it can be shattered in an instant." This highlights the fragile nature of trust, which is central to Reece's relationships and her journey. We loved how the Wyoming setting becomes a character in its own right, reflecting both danger and solace. Reece's journey feels relatable and inspiring, making her triumphs all the more satisfying. It's a story that reminds us of the power of trust and the resilience of the human spirit. Angel's Fall is an unforgettable blend of suspense, romance, and self-discovery. If you love a story with twists and a touch of heart, this one is for you. Don't miss out on this gripping read. If you enjoyed this summary, check out our video on Framed by John Grisham, another tale of truth and resilience. You'll love the deep dive into real-life wrongful convictions. Want to uncover the full story? Grab your copy of Angel's Fall using the affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for joining us, Book Foxes. If you enjoyed this summary, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more books simplified for your busy life, and let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Hit the like button, share with friends, and turn on notifications to stay in the loop. Books simplified, minds amplified. See you in the next summary.